Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be showing you how to use Seafoam in your car. Seafoam does a lot of great stuff for your engine. It cleans your injectors, cleans carb jets, stabilizes fuels, controls moisture in fuels, quiets noisy lifters, cleans deposits, adds lubricity to fuel, lube upper cylinders, and it de-ices and anti-gels. Now, before I go any further, there's going to be an Amazon link in the description below for Seafoam, as well as one of these, if I have it around here, one of these guys. You want to make sure you have one of these because it's going to make it a lot easier to put the Seafoam into your gasoline tank. I believe this is called a gasoline tank insert. Pretty neat tool. It just pops right in. And there's usually a little flap, which I'll show you in a second, on why you should have one of these. But I'm going to have a link in the description below for one of these as well. I like to have the fuel tank near empty because what I do is I add about half of this, and I'm actually going to show you the instructions on the back before I do this, because I'm just going to pour it in the tank when I do. So, for motor treatment is a blend of cleaning and lubricating petroleum ingredients that can be used safely in all types of 2-stroke and 4-stroke gas and diesel engines, all types of gas and diesel fuels, and all types of gas and diesel motors. What does it say? Motor oils. You can also put it in oil. Add to gas or diesel fuel. Pour Seafoam into your fuel tank to clean and lubricate the entire fuel system. It works through fuel injectors and carburetors to remove harmful residues and deposits from fuel passenger ways, intake valves, fuel passenger waves. Pistons and chamber areas for regular fuel system maintenance. Add 1 ounce per gallon. When greater cleaning concentration is needed, use 2 or more ounces per gallon. Now, while I'm on that subject, this thing's well overdue if you saw my air filter change video. What I like to do, since this is 16 fluid ounces, is I add 8 to 10 gallons. I pour this in first. I pour about, a quarter to half of the actual can itself, because it really helps mix with the fuel, and it shoots that stuff straight into the intake system, which is great. And then when I'm all the way full, I just pour the other half in, and it mixes while you drive. But you definitely want to throw some in before you pour in your fuel, because it's going to help it mix into the fuel tank. I usually add about half. That's my experience. And for injector cleaning, machines use 50-50 mix with gas. For injector cleaning machines, use 50-50 mix with gas. Use 100% of Seafoam diesel injector cleaning machines or when priming diesel fuel. For 2-stroke premix, add 2 ounces per gallon to crankcase oil or just your oil. Seafoam helps keep your engine running clean by removing harmful oil residues and deposits that can restrict oil flow and engine lubrication. Add 1 ounce for each quart of oil in the crankcase. To stabilize fuel, or stabilize store fuel up to 2 years, add 1 ounce per gallon of fuel. So it also acts as like a stable. Yeah, this stuff's the bomb. I'm going to throw it in the tank, show you what this thing looks like.